Bhau, happy 50th birthday. May God bless you with a wonderful and a healthy life. 50 years, man. Quite a long journey. But with family and friends like you, the journey becomes short and the time becomes memories. And I'm happy that we have so many moments to cherish. Well, now about you. As friends, we gotta be 50 to 70% similar. That's why we are friends and we are together since so many years, right? But what I like in you and appreciate is your simplicity and humbleness, and that makes you what you are for me. You're calm and patient and have an ability to handle any panic situation with a smiling face and a thought process behind it. A quality which very few possess in this world. I envy it though, but I'm happy to see that my close friend has it. मैं नहीं तो मेरे दोस्त के पास ही सही. And I hope to learn that from you someday. And rest bro, be what you are. And as you have always been, a close and a good friend. And may God bless our friendship. And we live and cherish every moment of it. But भाव, one question यार, तू इंजीनियर कैसे बना? Anyways bro, have a lovely and a happy 50th birthday and may you have all the happiness in the world. Following is dedicated to you from all 6 of us, but it is for all 7 of us. Have a great birthday. Cheers to our friendship. Long live our friendship.
मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार सुन मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरी जान तेरी जान ऐसा अपना प्यार जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मन ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे
Hi Sachin, happy birthday. Sachin, happy birthday. Many happiness of the day, but not again in this such condition. Okay? खरं मी तुझा 50वा वाढदिवस. Very difficult to believe. आता ही कॉम्प्लिमेंट आहे की कॉमेंट आहे हे तूच ठरव. बट तुझ्याबद्दल मला जे काही बोलायचं आज ते मला काही ओळींच्या माध्यमातून बोलायचंय. तुझं नाव आहे सचिन कदम, राईट? द ग्रेट सचिन कदम. तर त्यातले प्रत्येक अक्षरापासून मला काही तुला सांगायचं आहे. आय होप तुला ते आवडेल. सच्चा दोस्त हमारा तू है यारों का यार. सच्चा दोस्त हमारा तू है यारों का यार। चिराग लेकर भी ढूंढने से नहीं मिलता ऐसा दिलदार। चिराग लेकर भी ढूंढने से नहीं मिलता ऐसा दिलदार। नजराना क्या दूं तुझे इस मुबारक दिन पर। नजराना क्या दूं तुझे इस मुबारक दिन पर। आता आडनाव कभी साथ ना छोड़ेंगे एतबार रखना हम पर। कभी साथ ना छोड़ेंगे एतबार रखना हम पर। दम नहीं किसी में, दम नहीं किसी में जो देखे तुझे बुरी नजर से। मरते दम तक साथ देंगे, मरते दम तक साथ देंगे दोस्त, यही वादा आपसे।
हाय सचिन, मी सुद्धा तुम्हाला कविचेशांद्वारे शुभेच्छा देणार आहे, पण ही कविता जी आहे ही मराठीत आहे. क्षणांनी बनतं आयुष्य, प्रत्येक क्षण वेचत राहा. क्षणांनी बनतं आयुष्य, प्रत्येक क्षण वेचत राहा. क्षणी आनंदाच्या स्नेहाने उमलत राहा. क्षणी आनंदाच्या स्नेहाने उमलत राहा. सुखदुःखाचे सारे क्षण समर्थपणे पेलत राहा. सुखदुःखाचे सारे क्षण समर्थपणे पेलत राहा. यार दोस्तांच्या साथीने मन मुराद जगत राहा. यार दोस्तांच्या साथीने मन मुराद जगत राहा. शुभेच्छा तुम्हाला लाखो 50व्या वाढदिवशी. शुभेच्छा तुम्हाला लाखो 50व्या वाढदिवशी. आमच्या सुषमाच्या प्रेमाने तुम्ही असेच बहरत राहा. आमच्या सुषमाच्या प्रेमाने तुम्ही असेच बहरत राहा. सचिन, तुम्हाला शुभेच्छा देण्यासाठी अजून एक खास व्यक्ती येते इथे. ये.
The only person who calls me Malhar Rao is you, Sachin Kaka. Many, many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Happy birthday once again.
नमस्कार, सचिन गंगाधर कदम alias my छोटा भाव. We have been friends since last 27 years and I'm sure none of us has realized that it's been so long. You have always placed yourself amongst the best with reference to being an obedient son, understanding husband, loving brother and confused but caring dad. I'm not aware of others, but for me, you have already given the best advance return gift. The last 45 days of this historical lockdown, I have seen the actual Sachin which I always wanted to see. Total stress-free, cool and calm, and most important, enjoying the life the way it's meant to be enjoyed. So Bhav, now I would agree that age gets the wisdom and wish to see you in the same mode hereafter. May Bapa bless you with best of health, happiness and prosperity. Love you and wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday. God bless.
Hi Sachi, wish you many many happy returns of the day. As my hubby said to you, stay blessed.
Hello
Hello,
Sachin.
Bhav. I hope you're happy now that you've reached a milestone not everyone can reach at this age. Looking so happy, healthy and handsome. May God bless you with many more happy and healthy years. May love and peace continue to fill your heart. You are such a blessing to many. I hope this day turns out more wonderful than you expect. Happy 50th birthday, Bhav. You are a really true friend and a beautiful soul. I'm really blessed to know you.
Behind you,
All your memories,
before you,
all your dreams,
around you,
all those who love you,
within you.
all you need.
Happy
50th birthday.
We all call you
Bhav.
Bhav. It
This
says
is all. Ganpat Chal Darula.
Happy birthday, bro.
Day.
Happy birthday.
Hello Sachin, a very happy birthday to you. Yeah, this being your 50th birthday, a very special one, a milestone birthday, and also more special because it is happening in very unusual lockdown conditions. I'm sure you are all having a very lovely time with the family, and our association goes back to about 30-35 years. You and Sachin have always been a Laurel and Hardy Zodi. Of course, you being the quieter one, and we've got lot of memories of those college times and of all those lovely moments that we have been together as college friends and in the younger days, our wedding, then your wedding. So we've definitely collected some lovely memories. You and Sachin have a fantastic association, and you've been really the inseparable jodi that I have known. And you haven't changed much in all these years that I can say. The same physical structure, and yes, it's been a long time that we've not caught up though, but this is a good occasion to wish you good health, wealth, success, prosperity, and a lot of love and patience in your life, and maybe have these celebrations more often. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Sachin bhai, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day, have fun, wish you all the happiness.
Wow, happy birthday, half century complete. अभी पार्टी इन लोनावला इंशाल्लाह.
Yes.
After lockdown.
2-3 दिन रुकेंगे हाँ हम लोग, एक रात में हम लोग वापस नहीं आएंगे, पक्का
डन. चलो,
See you.
best of luck.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Sachin भैया.
Hi.
सुषमा, थैंक यू. आज इतने दिनों के बाद में और फयाज ठाट तैयार होके निकले हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है सच्ची में सचिन भैया की पार्टी में जा रहे हैं. Oh, I wish we could be there. Sachin भैया, very happy birthday to you. May you have 50 more wonderful years of health, happiness and prosperity. We love you. We miss you. We miss everyone. Mwah.
भाऊ, happy birthday. We are praying to keep you all इसमें तेरी फैमिली आ गई, फ्रेंड्स आ गए, सब in best of health, wealth and happiness. आमीन. भाऊ, मुझे लगता है अपनी दोस्ती चालू हुई थी, मुझे लगता है 20-25 साल पहले, जब मैं आया था मशीनरी लेने के लिए. मेरे को याद है तो मेरे को आके किधर मोहनजनी से किधर पिक करा था. आई थिंक 24-25 साल हो गए.
ज्यादा हो गए.
आई डोंट नो, मिनिमम हुआ होगा उतना. आज तब मैं कस्टमर की तरह आया था, आज अपन एक फैमिली जैसे हो गए. थैंक्स टू सुषमा, थैंक्स टू योर किड्स एंड थैंक्स टू स्पेशली कदम अंकल एंड आंटी. वी ऑल लव यू. और 50 साल हो गया है, बूढ़ा हो गया है. थोड़े देखना तेरे गाल में थोड़ी कुछ इधर चालू भी हो गया होगा आने के लिए. आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे देखना बंद कर ले. एक ही चीज को तेरे को देखना है. तेरी बाजू में मिसेस नक्को खड़ी है, सुषमा को, उसको ही देखना है बस. और ये साल सबको याद आने वाला है क्योंकि ये साल 2020 है. 2020 में क्रिकेट की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सब लॉकडाउन में बैठे हैं, ये कोविड-19 आया है. लेट्स होप कि अपन सब और अपने फ्रेंड्स और अपने फैमिली इसमें से निकल जाए. और ये साल 50th बर्थडे तेरा भी, इसके लिए ये साल बहुत याद आने वाला है. एनीवे, एंजॉय योर डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड हैप्पी 50th. एंजॉय.
Birthday Sachin, have a wonderful life. 50 is a good place to be. Do anything that your heart desires, and you've had a good life. Thank you for all your support so far. You're a wonderful person.
Happy birthday Sachin, half a century. Enjoy. Welcome to the Seniors Club. Happy birthday once again, half a century, 50.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sachin. Happy birthday to you. Many more years to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sachin. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy fullest.
Hi Sachin. Many happy birthday to you. The most humble person I ever met. little credit to Sush also. Our really love you both, Sush and Sachin, our favorite people. God bless you always.
We really wanted to make personally to your place, but because of lockdown, it was not possible. Sorry, and enjoy the fullest. Whenever time permits, we will celebrate this occasion. Okay, bye bye, Sachin. Thank you very much, and small gift from us. Please accept. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bye, Sachin. Bye.
50th birthday to Sachin Bhai. Have a fabulous day and a great year ahead. Take care. Cheers.
Happy 50th birthday, Sachin Bhai. May all your wishes and dreams come true. Hope you have a blast. Take care and have a good future.
Happy birthday, Sachin Bhaiya. Have a great day and a year ahead.
Happy birthday, Sachin. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. You are the youngest looking 50-year-old person I've come across. The youngest looking. I would rather say 25 years old with 25 years of experience. That is a better way of saying it. Chal, 3 cheers to you. Nahin. 50 cheers to you on your 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Sachin Bhai.
हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे सचिन. गॉड ब्लेस यू. पार्टी करेंगे लोनावला में जाके. पेंडिंग रहा अपना. यो.
Wow, happy 50th birthday. May all your wishes come true. Have a great and a rocking birthday. And hope you have such many more milestones in life to cross. And may God prepare you for the 75th birthday. And may God also help us to live that long. Take care, bro. So that we can celebrate the birthday together. All the birthdays together. Take care. Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Sachin Bhaiya. How are you? Enjoy life to the fullest as you do and make others do. Thank you so much for being a part of us and have a lovely year ahead. Thank you.
Hi Sachin, how are you? We wish you a very happy 50th birthday, and I'm sure this birthday is going to be a memorable one, and you're going to celebrate it in a different way because of the pandemic and the lockdown. So make sure you celebrate it very well with your family at home. Once again, wish you a very happy 50th birthday.
Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday, Sachin. Hope you have a good time and Sushma spoils you to the best. One message just for you and your family. Stay home, stay safe and enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Sachin, happy birthday. If we compare your photographs taken on 3rd March 1994 with photographs taken on 18 May 2020, it looks only different of 10-15 years. And in 1994, you were at 24. Now we add this 15 years different to your 1994 age, that is 24. It comes only 40. So now you looks only 40. Many happy returns of the day.